Well, thank you for continuing to watch the update of our podcast. This week in the Senate, the main legislative activity was passing an extension of unemployment benefits, also the health care coverage under COBRA, and also extending the period of reimbursement on Medicare, the so-called doc fix. We did that for a short period. Unfortunately, not for the period that many of us wanted, which was at least through the end of the year. That still has to be done in the coming weeks, but that legislation was passed. That's important. In addition, we introduced legislation to try to ensure that schools around the country, in New Mexico and elsewhere, are not in the circumstance of having to fire teachers as they begin their new school year this fall. We're trying to provide additional funds to assist the states to maintain their instruction in their public school systems, and I co-sponsored that legislation. I hope very much it can become law. The other important item, of course, was tax day. This was the April 15th came again this year, as it does every year, much to everyone's chagrin. Fortunately, this year we have seen a reduction in the taxes that about 99% of New Mexicans actually pay, and that's because of the provisions that we put in the Recovery Act that was passed last year. On average, a little over $1,000 in tax cut was contained for the average New Mexican this last year. So that's positive. I've also introduced a bill this week called the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, which tries to put in place necessary protections for taxpayers who are trying to pay their taxes and who are having interactions with the Internal Revenue Service. I hope again that that can become law before the Congress adjourns this fall. Again, thanks for watching our update, and we will continue to do these each week. We hope they're of interest to you. Thank you.